Wow, it's very refreshing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make a refreshing juice, pineapple, cucumber and ginger juice. Now guys, this is very simple and very easy to prepare. Now guys, as the name suggests, I will be using pineapple, cucumber and ginger. Now first, I am going to peel the pineapple. Now guys, I am peeling the pineapple. Now I'm going to cut my pineapple into smaller pieces. I'm not going to be using all of this pineapple. So about this amount that I'm going to be using, maybe about a cup. Then I have my cucumber already washed. I'm not going to peel it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut. And just cut into smaller pieces to the size that you think is big enough. Guys, you can use a blender, or today I'm using my bullet, my NutriBullet. So this amount of cucumber, I'm gonna add some ginger. And then I'm gonna add some water. I'm not gonna use a lot of water, guys. Just enough that I think will blend the items. So this is it. So guys, I will be blending. Now I am separating the pulp from the juice. But if you wish, guys, you don't have to separate the pulp from the juice. You can have it just the same, blend, and have it like a smoothie if you wish. My son is helping me in the kitchen, guys, so I'm going to be asking him to do a taste test.
it's refreshing.
So guys, there you had a taste test from my son. So I'm just gonna finish up with the straining. So there you have it, pineapple, cucumber, and ginger juice. This was very easy and simple to prepare. No sugar added. It's very nutritious and healthy for your body. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.